What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a logo in Canva for free using the power of AI. So as you can see here guys, I'm currently on Canva website. I'm currently on the free account, so that simply means that if you are using a free account, you can do this just the same. And what you can do now guys is just simply type in, for example, logo, right? And once you type in logo or you type in logo design, you can easily go ahead and see some of those designs that are actually there on Canva, right? So you can use what is there as a template, or you can create something absolutely new. And as I said, I'm going to show you how to do that with the power of AI. One of the cool thing is that you can go ahead and you can use, for example, the dimension that they already have, because it is really easy for you to just get started with something, and you can always delete what is there or add a new page and basically create what you want. So I'm going to start with something for free, and you can easily find a free option by looking for ideas that does not have, for example, the crown, because that means that the ones with the crown or the Canva Pro, and you can easily choose something that does not have anything. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose, for example, this one here. It's free. I can click on it and I can say customize design. Now, as I said, it has a design already, but if you want to use the power of AI, you can do the same. All you have to do is just simply go ahead and, for example, click on new page, and you have a blank page. It's okay. You can delete this or you can use it as an idea or whatever. Once you've clicked on that and you have a blank page, you can use the power of AI. So what I recommend, clicking on the left hand side, you want to look on the left hand side here, and you want to look for apps. So click on apps, and from here you can go ahead and you can search for apps. So what I recommend, just type in something like logo and hit search, and you'll find multiple apps, guys, multiple AI apps that allow you to generate designs and so much more. So you can look for a logo maker. You can type in, for example, whatever you have in your head, you can always go ahead and choose. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just choose something. This one I've used in the past, but I might use it again, but you can easily choose whatever. So you have this one here, you have this one here that says AI logo maker. Let's go ahead and test this out as an example. I'm going to click on open, guys. And once I click on open, as you can see, it asks me to describe my logo. So for example, I will just write something here. So I'm going to just simply go ahead and type, for example, something like that. Now I just tell it what my channel is about, right? And let's see if it will do anything for me. So you can even say inspire me, and it's going to create designs for you. In my case, I will basically leave it as that. You can choose some style here, so you can have multiple styles that you can choose from. In this case, let's go ahead and do something. So let's try something in the tech. I'm going to select this one for tech. And yeah, primary colors, let's leave it as is, and go ahead. And this says you can type your company name. So in this case, I'm going to type, for example, Drew Tutorial, so that it knows what my idea is about or my channel is about. And I'm going to simply click and generate. Now I cannot tell it what my channel is about, but you can be specific as to what you want the logo to be, or what you want it to contain, or the colors that you want, or whatever image you wanted to create. In my case, I just give it a general description, and let's see how powerful the AI is to just take an idea or a description of a business and see what it can generate. So that's what I'm currently doing, guys. I'm using the power of AI. You can use the power of AI to do whatever. You can give it specific instructions. You can describe your business and just allow it to think about what you are giving it and try to make something unique of its own. So let's just wait for it to complete and let's see what it is. If I need to make it more detailed, I'll go, let's say, describe what I want, but let's see if the AI can just take what I just share with it and create something amazing. Let's see. Wow, have a look at that, guys. I must say that not bad, really not bad. So as I said before, I said it was just about a YouTube channel by the name of Joe Tutorial that create how-to videos on YouTube. And have a look at the logo. It's amazing, right? So you can see that it has the YouTube in the back. It has the gear. It has some screwdrivers, like how to it's cool and it has the name, the logo there. And once you're satisfied with it, guys, all you have to do is simply click on add to design. If you want to start over, you can. But in this case, as this is just a tutorial video, I'm going to just simply add to the design and show you that you can do that. Now, once you add that, you can see here that it comes in a bit small. So in order to change colors, in order to, adjust the size, you can go ahead and just kind of stretch from one side to the next and from one side to the next. And to make it larger, you can flow the entire blank canvas here and you will have it like that. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple how to create a logo using the power of AI in Canva. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video.